weapon to smash this cargo crate. This should do it. God. All she wanted was a selfie. This could be useful.
Something in the plane. Stay back.
I'm human! Anyone injured?
Just a few bruises. I think we got lucky. I'm Michael.
Amy.
This is fucking tremendous.
Emma, darling, I'm so sorry about Robert.
Why? I mean, this is all his fault, the selfish wanker. Will you stop standing there and find me some fucking shoes?
Whoa, hey. You know you got all, like, blood coming out of your ears.
What? I can't hear you. I got blood coming out of my ears.
Well, I mean, what are we going to do?
Start warming up.
People, this is Emma Jaunt.
Cool.
Of course, you know what a huge star she is, Romero winner no less. We need to get her home to safety.
Something there?
Careful.
Come on, Ames. Oh, hi.
My wife.
Oh, crap. She's alive. I feel a pulse.
Get this off me.
Want to stop just standing around?
Michael, help.
Come on, boys. Let's see those muscles. Ready, lift!
It's too heavy. I think they're getting closer. We need to go.
Whoa, time out. I'm not leaving.
I mean, perhaps we should stay.
Darling, the world needs you. They'll protect them.
Are you for real?
Okay, Michael, if you're sure. Here is my address in case you change your mind. Good luck.
I hope you get eaten.
I'll call the army. Send help. Go.
Hey, are you Emma Trant?
Okay. Looks like I'm up. Some backup. Hey! I got wounded. Not another deaf dude.
Up, stink breath!
I can kill them. I can take you and your friends. More coming. They just keep coming. Gotta do something, Ames. I can burn him if I knock that tire down. Gotta knock that tire down. Holy shit. Yeah. You're all fucking with the wrong girl. Okay. Check on the others. Tough spot here. Hey.
Oh God. How the fuck did this happen? It's not meant to be like this.
Hey. We're not beat yet? Here. Well, can you hear me? I got some water. You need to stay hydrated.